Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So as you can see from the title, we're gonna be making my late night dinner tonight because it is 7:10 at this moment, and it's not really like late night, but to me this is kind of late night because I wouldn't really be making dinner right now. So went on the road today, came home. I wasn't really feeling well, so that's why I'm currently here doing it now. Mom and dad already had dinner. I had just like something light just to keep me up until I was ready to make my dinner. So I'm just going to do like, I was like feeling for a little chicken sandwich of some sorts. I didn't want to go out and have to go buy it because lately I just been feeling like every time I buy fast food, it's not satisfying. It doesn't really taste that good right now. So I'm just going to make my own, and I'm gonna do it tonight. So I'm gonna do some of the homemade fries as well. I have some little potatoes right here. They're kind of small, but we're going to make them work. And I just have a flattened piece of chicken thigh. I deboned the thigh, and I flattened it and all of that. So what I'm going to do now is going to season it. I'm going to do a little breading for it. So I'm going to use some flour, an egg wash, and just some breadcrumbs. This is the panko, the coarse panko breadcrumbs. And then I'm going to put it in the freezer to just like let it set in there. Then I'll work on my potatoes and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna season up this first. So I finished with the breading. This is it. Hold on. This is it. Yeah, so it's just as I said, flour. Then I did little, just like, you know, a little egg, little egg wash in a way, and then panko breadcrumbs. That's what's going to give it the crunch on it. So for seasoning, I just did just some regular garlic powder, some basil, some paprika, a little salt. Keep it very light. I don't want too much seasoning on it, so I'm gonna put it in the freezer now, and I'm gonna leave it to set for a little time. While that is setting, move these up here. I'm going to move on to cutting up my potatoes. While I'm peeling, as I was saying before, guys, yeah, I didn't feel like buying or wasting my money to go buy a fast food when I can probably just make it at home and do it much better. I'm a person, I will, you know, eat out once in a while, no problem. But as of lately, it's just not working out with me. I feel like nowadays when I buy it, I'm like forcing myself to finish it. Not really forcing myself, but like, you don't want your money waste. So, and it just doesn't taste, I don't know, it just doesn't taste as good. It doesn't taste enjoyable. Also, I've realized everywhere that I've been going to lately, when I, go on the road or so, everybody's putting up Christmas decorations. And I'm a Christmas person, definitely. You guys will be seeing me like doing videos of, decorating and all of that type of stuff. I've really been wanting to do that, so I'm going to be doing it this year, which I'm very happy about. But I'm just surprised that people already start putting up like decorations in stores and stuff like that out here already. A couple of supermarkets I went to, they already have Christmas stuff out. Not like a Christmas tree, but they have Christmas stuff out already. Small decorations here, they're selling Christmas items and all of them stuff there, and I'm just surprised people are starting so early. Even on the radio, people are doing like early Christmas giveaways and all of them something there when it's only the start of October. But I'm guessing people are feeling the Christmas spirit this year. So yeah. Normally, I'm not a person to cook this late. I don't like cooking late. It's not something I don't like it. I don't enjoy it because by a certain time I'd like to be in my bed. Not necessarily have to be sleeping, but just in my bed, relaxing and something after the day. I really don't want to have to get up and come and that's 3. I'm gonna do one more, make it 4. I really don't want to have to get up to come cooking in the night like this, I can't bother. After a certain period of time, I don't really want to be around us. I don't really want to be around that stove. But I had a headache, which is why I wasn't feeling well. I had a not really bad, but it was kind of taking a little toll on me. Still kind of have it right now, but it's not that bad. I can go through. So I'm gonna finish cutting up my potatoes. Once I'm done cutting them up, I'm going to also rest them in the freezer. Then I'm going to switch out and take out the chicken, and then fry it. We're gonna fry it, and then after we're done fry that, we're going to the fries and fry it. And then while the fries are frying, because these are, you know, real potatoes, they take a little time. So while those are frying, I'm gonna assemble the sandwich, and then you guys will see from there, because I don't have any lettuce with me today. As I was thinking about doing it, I was like, make sure I have everything. I didn't have any lettuce, but it's all right. You don't always need lettuce. That's okay. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it without the lettuce. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm going to the stove. Guys, completely forgot that I was recording, but I've already fried the chicken piece. I'm just putting in my fries now. This is the chicken that I fried. See? Good. I flattened it out because I didn't want like that big hunk of chicken. Anyways, I'm just using regular sliced bread that I have at this moment. I don't have any sandwich bread right now, but sliced bread will work. In the meantime, I'm going to make a little spread for sandwich, and I'm gonna show you how I make my spread. Have a spoon? There we go. So first things first, mayonnaise. Boy, mayonnaise is the base of it, so you put more mayo. I put like about, why would I reach out this now? Like about 2 to 3 spoons or so. That should be enough. Okay. Then after I do that, I then do some mustard. Might sound weird, but it will make sense soon. Don't worry. Like a little bit. You don't want too much mustard. Then some ketchup. And then now you just stir it around till everything's all combined. And it's a really good spread. I'm being very serious. It's a very good spread. You can use it on your sandwiches. If you want to use it on a salad or something like that, you can. It's you want to use it on fries. It's like a dipping sauce for your fries or something. It's good. I also have a little sweet relish in here, but I think I'm just gonna add this to the sandwich itself rather than I'm putting it in the sauce. So that's what I'm gonna do. Anyways, so this is the sauce. This is like the color consistency. Yeah, that's it. All right, so spread is all done. So I'm gonna finish up the fries. Right after the fries are done, I don't have a tomato. Yeah, so as I said, I don't have any lettuce, but this is how I'm improvising with it. The simpler the better in my eyes right now. So I'm going to assemble. Actually, I'm gonna fry my fries first and then I assemble, so then when we come back everything will be all done. I'm going to assemble my food now and I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna eat with you guys, I'm just gonna eat on my own. I'm gonna finish a video after I finish assembling. So here are my fries. Right, these are just regular potatoes, small potato wedges. That's it. Oh, salt them. My mom bought this cute thing that you could use, you know, to put like on your plate. When you go to like the restaurants, they give you like this little tray thingy. It's really small that has like the fries in there. We have that, and I'll put it in there to like present it, but I have no idea what that is. We still haven't figured out some of the stuff that we had put up since we moved. Anyway, so here's how I'm going to assemble. So I'm gonna do the spread first on a slice of the bread. gonna use just the spoon since it's already in there. Now when I'm done eating, I will do the dishes. I will wash up back all that I have used. All right, spread on the bread. That's one side. We're gonna do the next side. So the only thing missing out of this currently, outside of the fact that I have no lettuce, is cheese, and I don't really want any cheese right now, weirdly. And I even bought cheese today, but I don't want any. I don't feel for any right now. I'm not really lactose intolerant, but I just don't really feel for any. I don't really feel for something, just not really feel for it. So yeah, then I'm gonna put my chicken on my bread. Take a little bit more of the spread, place it on the chicken, just a little bit, not too much. Then some of the relish. So as I said, this is why I didn't want to put it in the spread, I want to put it on the sandwich. So in outside of the relish, it's still kind of pickles, so you can, I would just like put pickles there. Then my tomatoes, and then finally I put my bread on top. All right, clean my plate. No dirty presentation. Clean your plates. Always make sure to clean your plate, even if it's for yourself. This is something my mom has instilled in me. Clean your plate, even if you're serving yourself. Clean your plate. Presentation is important. We're gonna put our fries on just the side right here. I wish I had that cute little thing I could use, but I don't have it. That's all right. So I could cut it in half. Actually, I might cut it in half and come back. That might look better. I think I'm gonna cut it in half and come back. So I cut it in half, and I think it actually looks way better now. So this is my dinner. This is my late night dinner. So here we are. So it's my chicken sandwich. This is what the inside looks like. So see, even there's no lettuce, it still looks nice. And then my fries there with some ketchup, and that's just about it. That's really it. I'm just gonna have some water with this, or maybe some juice or something like that, and that's really it. This was simple. I think it's about 8 o'clock right now. What time did I start? 7:10. So it took almost about an hour to do this, and that's it. That's really it. Because I was even maybe it would have taken less time because I was even sitting down. I was on my phone a little bit still, but that's really it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me making my dinner. If you guys want to see more of these, tell me in the comments below, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.